Welcome to the SprayMate instructional series. In this video, we will be showing the process of removing and installing a QuickSwap battery adapter. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. To make it easier to access the battery holster, we recommend laying the sprayer down on a flat surface. For tools, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and optional but helpful needle nose pliers. To start, open the battery door cover and use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws around the existing QuickSwap holster. Once the screws are removed, set them aside and remove the QuickSwap holster. On the back of the attached adapter, you will find 2 wires. The red wire is the positive and the black wire is the negative. Before disconnecting the terminals, slide the rubber protectors down to make it easier to access. Using your fingers or the pliers, pinch the tab on the connector to release it from the QuickSwap holster. Choose which QuickSwap adapter you would like installed based on the batteries you have. Each adapter is labeled with the tool brands it's compatible with. Take note of the polarity and sizing of the terminals on the QuickSwap adapter. Connect the red wire and larger connector to the positive terminal. Then attach the black wire and smaller connector to the negative terminal. Once connected, slide the rubber protectors back into place. Then, tuck the wires into the space behind the battery holster compartment of the sprayer. Set the QuickSwap adapter in place and secure it using the 4 screws. Once installed, simply place the correct battery into the holster and you're ready to spray.